Wow, what a difference just a few days can make. It was just 5 days ago today that we got the keys back from our tenant to be able to start the remodel of this property in Village Grove in South Scottsdale. Within that 5 days, we have already had the entire kitchen demoed. So what I'm gonna do is show you what we've already done here, which a lot of it you can just see behind me, as well as explain to you what the next steps will be in this process so you can follow along with us on this journey. So taking a closer look at what we've done, you can see here we had the little island removed countertops, cabinets, backsplash, as well as having the uppers removed. The next step for this portion is we need to have an electrician come in to actually run the electric for 3 pendant lights to be hanging here where there was upper cabinets. On the other side, we have also had the built-in appliances removed, counters, cabinets removed, and that upper soffit removed. We decided to have the upper soffit removed so we could have larger cabinets installed to give our future tenants more storage space, which is a win for everyone. However, what we didn't anticipate is that once we removed it, we'll see here that there is some electric going through here at such an angle that we can't just put the drywall up to cover this area and to wall it off. So while we have the electrician out here in a couple days, we're gonna visit with him about what next steps are to have this removed, so that way we can have our guy come in and do the drywall repair and start prepping this room for cabinet installation.